Well, I can bring you some news in the 5,000 metres. The pace kept slowing, and we've just had a fall at about, well, almost a lap ago, just in front of us at the finish line. Galen Rupp went down quite heavily. One of the Kenyans, I think it was Yates, and there's Merga pushing again. It's because the pace is slow. Mo Farah's had enough of it. He's now trying to get himself out of trouble. Look at Zielinski's had another push. That's Merga twice now. And on the previous lap, maybe we'll get the chance to have a look at the replay of Rupp falling. But two Americans coming to blows in the race there. Merga certainly to blame there. I'm not sure on the previous lap whether it was him. It was Yato and Rotic who brought Rupp down. But it's because they're so anxious. It's because they were hoping to run fast. They then get themselves bunched because the pace is slow, pushing and shoving around, trying to work out who's going to go at the front. And we've got the odd situation now of Bernard Lagat and Mo Farah leading this 5,000 metres. These are the two who many want to see clash over the last 600 metres. Maybe we're going to see it, but it won't be as quick as we would have liked. And Farah now starts to stretch them. They'll come round this time to take the bell. Longasiwa is there. Lagat still looks comfortable on the inside. Kipchoge and Koech now following. But it's Mo Farah who's struck first. 60 seconds for the previous lap. Fastest of the race so far, but they really haven't started kicking yet. Farah has just a slender advantage. Lagat just boxed a little bit. Longasiwa there. Koech now looking threatening down the back straight. Merga with no speed at the moment to tell off. And Farah stretching them. Has he got another kick? Has he got more gears to go through? Lagat's still there. Koech is still there. Merga closer now. And Mo Farah being attacked on the outside, but he still leads. He still has the advantage. Lagat trying to muster the big finish. Koech looking for something as well, but Mo Farah kicking again from the front. Has Lagat got the legs? I don't think he has. Mo Farah's been dominant at 10,000, and now he's taken it to them at 5,000. A big win and a superb personal best. Another British record for Mo Farah. All happened on the last 2 or 3 laps. A dramatic race. The win, though, the most important thing. He can run faster than that, undoubtedly. But it doesn't matter how the races are run at the moment, they have no answer. A long finish, a long run out. Lagat waited and waited. Koech had his chance. Merga was close enough with 200 to go. But nothing, absolutely nothing they can do about Mo Farah. There were 1 or 2 suggestions shared around the hotel over the last couple of days that Lagat would have him if he was close enough in the last 200, but it wasn't the case.
No, it was down to the 2 sprinters in the end. And look at the anxiety on the face of Bernard Lagat. But this is a new man in Mo Farah. This season has been a new man. Let's say that. There's a confidence. There's a new beginning for him. And that beginning may well prove to be the icing on the cake when they come to Daegu. Because that was an intelligent race. He didn't rush it. He wasn't panicked. He was right at the back. He just moved forward. He read the race so well. And when it came to the final stage, he said, okay, I'm going to take you on. I can take Merga on. I can take Lagat on. I can take this 17-year-old Koech on. I can beat them all. And he has a belief now. He has a belief that he didn't have before. We always said before, he doesn't quite know how to win, but by goodness me, he does now. Brilliant, brilliant run by Mo Farah. 12:53.11.
53.73 for his last lap. Speed, strength, a dominant performance, a new British record, the fastest in the world this year, personal best, everything.